So okay, for question 6, again, okay, I repeat. 6a, find the dot product of the vector. So we want to see the result for the dot product. So 1 times 6, 6, 2 times negative 8, negative 16. So 6 minus 16, negative 10. And then, okay, cosine of the angle between them. So mean u dot v, the dot product, is actually equal to magnitude u times magnitude v cos theta. We want the cos theta actually. Okay, u dot v, you get negative 10. Then you need to find the vector v, magnitude of vector v, magnitude of vector v. So you have the 6 squared plus negative 8 squared. So 36 plus 64, 100, which is 10. Okay, so you have here times 10 cos theta. So 10 and 10 here cancel. So mean cos theta equal to negative 5. So the answer, okay, for 6a, the cosine of the angle is actually cos theta equal to negative 5.